Baseball it instead.
Yeah! Is it true or not that you kept a lightsaber?
I officially don't own a lightsaber. Props guy gave me one. No, he didn't.
It's amazing.
How do you turn that
Can
one
you
on?
bang them against each other? Will they break? Oh, no, they won't. You get a good swing.
Oh, look at that! What? That's fantastic. But can you make the noises?
To begin with, it was quite difficult not to make the sound.
Yeah.
And also when it goes away, because it makes that nice noise when it goes down.
Oh, yes.
How do you switch
Have you
them
heard
off?
that in Rocky? That apparently, like in the first film particularly, it's just loads of sound effects of Sylvester Stallone going.
Okay, so when you put it on, it has to make this kind of noise.
All right, we're good. Let's baseball it.